We're down here for a sunset shoot. This is the first time on this trip being down on the south shore where the sun sets to the west, and so it's setting over there, and so onto this south shore we want to get hopefully some reflections onto the city and Diamond Head down there. We're starting to get a little color in the clouds, and then we'll shoot through that. And then hopefully after the sun's completely set, we get into the blue hour. I'm hoping that the city lights will come up, and then I'll be able to balance the ambient light with the city lights. It's just a short period of time, and I'll shoot through it and past it, and then in Lightroom, after I import, going through post-processing, I'll take a look at the best time, because sometimes it's just hard to see until I get it on the computer and pick that sweet spot. So I'll shoot before it, through it, and after it. And a lot of times I find that it's actually slight before when I think it is when I'm looking at it with my eye. But then, I'll shoot through it. Shooting with the 70 to 200, and right now I am at looks like about 120, and so I've got Diamond Head, and then the living, the buildings, the resorts and such that are out on Diamond Head, and they'll light up. But I think too I'm going to go a little wider and then swing the camera a little more to pick up Waikiki there, because there'll be more lights in the building, and that actually already looks better now. I am getting this buoy right here up front, nice red buoy, so hopefully that'll light up pretty good as well. And if it does get a little dark, I can bring that up in post. You can see the sky starting to light up, and again, the sun is setting over there, and it's right now it is so it's actually sunset a couple minutes past right now, and so we can see, there's no islands or any structure, so we can see all the way to the horizon. And it's not really a glorious sunset. Sometimes that just blows up red. I don't know what the magic is to decide, but you can see some of the reflections in the sky there. It's just a beautiful sky across over there, and we're starting to get some in there. So I'm gonna be shooting through that. I am shooting in aperture priority. Right now I'm at f/22 at ISO 100. I'm on a tripod. I'm real stable, so the longer exposure is nice because it'll soften up the water, so the water won't be as kind of busy. When you get the little wind blown chop, it's a high frequency image, and I'd rather see that smooth out a little bit. I could put on a polarizer or an ND filter and knock that down a little bit more, but I think with the light going down, I'll be able to get the water a little more velvety, a little more smooth. So I'm going to get back to the camera and see what I can get.